three-limbed forward bend pose, Trianga Mukaikapada Paschimottanasana. Trianga Mukaikapada Paschimottanasana is derived from the combination of the Sanskrit words. Trianga means three limbs or parts. It is the buttocks, knees, and feet. Mukha means face. Ika means one. Pada means foot. Paschima means west or back of the body. Uttana, intense stretch. And asana, pose. This pose requires flexible hips. It targets the spine, neck, shoulders, arms, and leg muscles to provide deep stretch. Begin in Dandasana. Lean your body to the left side. Bend the right knee and move the right foot back by the side of the right hip joint. Adjust the hips to bring the hips even and the knees at same level. Keep toes pointing to the back and rest top foot on floor. Reach the straight leg femur deep into the hip socket to ease in the rotate of the thighs to come closer together. This also creates space along the back, which widens the sacrum for deeper bend from hips. Inhale, raise your arms to the sides of the head to elongate the spine. Maintain the hips even. Exhale, hinge on the hips. The body forward and the hands catches the left foot. Engage the abdominals. This will create a stable support to deepen the forward bend. Exhale, bend forward from the lower back, mid back, upper back, and rest forehead to the left shin. Keep the torso slightly towards the bent leg to keep weight of the body from shifting to the straight leg. This helps to keep the hips even. Once the body is stable, reach your arms out to the front. Grab the right wrist with the left hand. Right hand form Chin Mudra. The straight leg heel is reaching out and both shoulders are at same level. Stay in this position for 1 minute and breathe slowly and deeply. To release, inhale and reverse the order of movement and repeat the other side.